Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to go over the few things that I purchased at the Dollar Tree in order to stock my home on a budget. First things first, some things to brighten up our waters. This True Lemon literally tastes like lemon water and I cannot rave about it enough. Next up, some spices that we use on the daily. All of these worked out perfect. I've cooked with every bit of it. I cannot tell y'all enough to go purchase that coconut spray. So yummy, it works so good. I was really shocked to find all of these at a reasonable price, $1. Like everything was $1 and it's just like Walmart. Next, of course, we gotta have ketchup, mustard, salt, and pepper. I was gonna purchase the mayonnaise, but I don't know. I like Hellmann's. Maybe I'm the only one, but I just wanted to stick to the name brand on that one. Of course, we gotta keep our teethies clean. I've got Sky, some toothbrushes, me, some toothpaste, some little plackers, Band-Aids of course, and some gum. Now this is where we start getting pretty good. I got a lighter for all of our candles, some stoppers, a water bottle for school, some little foam paint brushes, and this nifty little thing. It is a to-go thing, and it's got a fork and a nice spot. I just thought it was a good purchase. Now this was the coolest thing. All these attachments attached to a pole that you buy, and there you have it. You have mops, microfiber mops, brooms, the whole nine in one little set. I thought this was the neatest little thing. Definitely a good purchase. They all work great, and it's good to have. You don't have to have a bunch of broomsticks everywhere. We're gonna skip right past that. We've got some cleaning stuff. Of course, some cleaning stuff. And some more cleaning stuff. Now you see mouse traps. We don't have mice, knock on wood, but we do live out in the country, so I figured I'd go ahead and get that. And then of course those magic erasers. They are the best for $1. Go get them. Stop buying magic erasers. Buy the off-brand, I'm telling you. Thank me later. Okay, oops, skipping by that too. Lord bless me in this video. Now this is where I feel like I racked up the best. Oh, there's my scraper. Please ignore our mess. We have just moved in. Cooking utensils. Now I went to Walmart and literally all of this stuff was at least $3, $5 and up. And I got every bit of this for $1. So if we're cooking food, which we plan to do, overall I'm so excited. This was probably my best part of the haul, is all of these things that I knew I was going to spend a ton of money on, but I didn't. They're all Betty Crocker, name brand. They all work great. Now here I did add where it had kind of skimmed through, so I just got some snack bags, some parchment paper to save my cookie sheets, some tin foil, and of course something to grab all the good stuff out of the oven with. You really cannot have enough parchment paper. I should have got several boxes. That's going to wrap up this video for today. I know it's a little different, but I hope everyone enjoyed the relaxing feel I hope it gave. Please like, subscribe, and of course hit that notification bell. That way you can check out any content that I post. Thanks again for all the support to my 13 subscribers. And of course, air guns. Goodbye, y'all.